We gonna roll, homie, or what?
$200, man.
For sure,
Playing
I'll
with
roll.
me? Stop
Well, won't you
playing.
go join the line to bang your mama?
Fool, who you man, though?
Hey, families, this way!
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. You and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
Hey, over here, one of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly, Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which door it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a bass slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Hey,
Hey, homies, get over here.
Man. I'ma get me a happy mama. Don't you know what road rage is?
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
CJ, who been drawing on you?
At least my woman don't turn tricks, Mark.
Pass the brew, Holmes.
What was you saying?
Y'all touch me. Don't block me, homie. Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Screw you,
Hey,
CJ.
grab hold of that bat over there.
Homies, over here! Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers. What you wanna
Deal with
do?
that motherfucker.
Coming in my hood, start shit.
Blast these fools
Man,
while I
you
get at
touching
'em.
me up or
I got
something?
these fools.
Oh, you
homie.
wanna scrap, huh?
Like that fool. Ready
close,
when you are,
homies.
homie.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they
Hit
gonna
the
be
gas.
mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, this is bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
This way, dude!
Get in, homie.
Hey, dudes, get over here!
Sound on face shit, I'm not telling you.
Hey, over here, dudes!
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen,
What's up,
I've got a
bro?
message from Officer Tenpenny.
What you
Don't try
want,
and leave
dog?
town.
What's up?
That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Hey, pass that bud.
Hey, CJ, man, I like the thread.
What's up? Yo.
Dude, shut up.
Cool, baby, cool.
Oh, chill,
You hitting it
CJ.
too
It's
much.
I'm in. Hey, what's going on, man? What up?